From aerobatic stunts and brutal crosswinds to emergency landings and rescue operations, this is real aviation on the edge. Respect to pilots, crews, and responders. Nothing here is for imitation. Strap in for aviation moments. Unbelievable close calls caught on camera.
Can't come right at us.
A golfer is taking a swing when a plane lands right on the course.
I know it's not
In winter, not only can cars lose traction, but airplanes also lose control when landing on a slippery runway.
Oh, he's got this one. He's lucky. He's got this one. Yeah, he's got that. Easy, 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 easy! Oh my God! Chili!
The space shuttle landing was impressive. You don't see that every day. The hardest part of flying on an airplane is, as they say, takeoff and landing. How do you like that example? In this video, the plane makes an unusual and dangerous maneuver. Look at this beauty. A USB-2 Spirit strategic bomber lands after a combat mission. You've probably seen more than once how a crosswind can interfere with an airplane's landing. Have you ever been in such a situation? Look at that ring. Watch these spectacular airship landings at the annual festival at Tatson Air Force Base in California. This event celebrates durable airships and aviation equipment.
Oh, just a minute.
Oh. Hang on to that rudder, baby. There's what we call a ground. Hopefully just come all the way around. Jesus. And stop. Very nicely done. That's what's called the ground loop, though, where that big torque of that rotary engine wants to spin her around. And it looks like there's a little damage done to the airplane.
You getting this?
Over there.
Oh, yeah. YouTube.
This can only be seen in Russia. A cargo helicopter successfully transported a Su-27 Flanker B jet at an altitude of 200 meters. Despite the external load, they managed to reach a respectable speed of 100 to 150 kilometers per hour. Watch how military equipment is moved and dropped from an airplane when it flies at over 360 kilometers per hour.
Elliot, this is gonna be so
Oh my
cool,
God.
man.
Holy Elliot.
Watch out! Oh, wow. Oh, yeah! Woo!
Look at that, buddy.
Cover your ears, Dad. Trust me.
There is no limit to the impression. Watch the MH-60S Nightfall land on the destroyer.
Doing another pass. First one was an observation, this one might be the live one. Wow!
Be careful. Watching this video might make you want to get your helicopter pilot license. This emergency landing was performed by experienced pilots. It was a safe landing. But here's what can happen if you forget to release the landing gear.
Je disais, putain, c'est trop vite, c'est trop vite. Je guettais l'autre.
You definitely don't see this every day. When one of the largest helicopters in the world, a Halo, needs refueling, another similar helicopter, a Halo, transports it.